Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Trust wallet. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust wallet, which of course I have done right here. I'm inputting my security code or my passcode. So that's why it went off for a while. So this is actually the homepage for my Trust wallet. Now, Trust wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet that supports 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. Now you can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn crypto all in one place. Now that we know about Trust Wallet, let's hop into today's task, which is how to deposit money into your Trust Wallet. Now, how can you deposit money? You can deposit money by receiving money, all right, and you can also deposit money by buying icons, buying not icons, rather coins. So you can buy. So when you buy coins, you're gonna deposit money into your wallet, and when you receive coins, you're otherwise depositing money into your account. So you can also check the okay, let's quickly head over to this top corner where you have this send, and then you have receive, you have buy, you have sell, and you have history. So go ahead and click on buy. So they have this buy option here where you can now buy crypto. So what kind of crypto do you want to buy? Let's say BTC. So I open up that, and then you're gonna have to enter the amount of BTC that you want to buy. So let's say 2000. So once you get that, you're going to have to choose your payment method. So you can click on that to select the payment method that you want. Let's say credit card or MoonPay or Transact or Mercury, whatever. So go ahead and click on credit card. Now select it: Google Pay, digital wallet, credit wallet, or credit card or bank transfer. So let's say head over to credit card, go all the way back, and now click on this buy with credit card button. So it's connecting you to this moonpay.com. Coming right up. This says buy crypto with Nigerian Naira via local bank transfer. Let's say I got it. So you can just click on that. Now here you have, this is how much you want to buy. This is the amount in Nigerian Naira. You can change the fiat currency if you want to by clicking that. Okay, but then it's still clicking up, right? Maybe you have to change your currency later. So it says we change your currency from USD to NGN as we notice that you're in Nigeria. So your location matters. So go ahead and click on this continue button, and once you click on that, then you can now enter your mail. So check out with MoonPay. So enter your mail, and once you enter your mail, go ahead and click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's just going to take you to the next step, which is the final step that allows you to now enter your credit card details and make the withdrawal. All right, so once you have gotten that, once you purchase it, the balance is going to be added into your main wallet. So you're going to find it in the home page of your screen where you're going to find your balance deposited in. So when you buy crypto, you can, that's one way of depositing money into your crypto account. And you can also receive. So head over to the home page and click on the receive icon, and once you click on that, you can now scan or send your, tell somebody who, or send your code. All right, you can send your wallet address, you can copy and paste your wallet address, or you can even use your codes and tell the receiver to scan your code to get to send money to you. Once you get the money, it's going to be added to your balance. That's another way to get money deposited into your balance in Trust Wallet. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.